Good morning, dear viewer. Let's have a very short look at the markets. Let's see BTC, Nasdaq, SPX, so SP 500, and one last request is hook. Maybe start with Btc.D even. Yeah? So what I said, we are, let's go on the weekly. We are at resistance at the moment. Yeah? So my understanding is we should drop down here. The odds are that we are going to drop down here. This could be either by pumping alt, or second scenario is by increasing the dominance of USDT, which means cashing out BTC, gains from BTC. So still same opinion. Let's see. BTC. Now we have to go on the very short time frame. So I already explained the current scenarios, but let's look at the very short time frame. I said yesterday, or I tweeted yesterday, that this is probably just an ABC. Still playing it that way. I remain to be convinced that this is an impulse down, so maybe very steep dive. But to be more or less sure that we should be going up, is I want to see 5 waves up, and possibly I would want them to take out this level, 28,500 roughly. Then after correction, I think we can go up. Other than that, we could have continuation to the downside. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then let me just raise this. So again, 1, 2, 3. That's one zigzag. Then you can have 1, 2, 3. The X wave, and then 1, 2, 3, for instance. That could be a double zigzag. Let's see. I don't know. But I have my entries here protected with break even. So even if we go down, I will, my capital is safe. What warms my heart is Nasdaq and SPX. Here we have to go on the weekly, maybe too much, but maybe let's go to the daily. We broke out of this range here. Yeah, we had a big candle. It took out these highs here. Yeah. All of this liquidity here was taken out. Now I think we need a retrace, and then we can go up again. Or maybe even the retrace could be like so. And then up again. If we create this new high, 1, 2, 3, that to me creates an impulse up. So this is at least our wave A of correction. So that would be 1. Crap. Let's get rid of volume. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the correction, and then we can go up again. So this would be either C. So this is A or 1. This is C or 2. And then we get, sorry, that's not C, that's B. It's early in the morning here, so B or and then C or 3. There we go. That's if we get this move up, and especially if we take out this high here with this last move here, then that creates a very bullish structure to me, at least. I would be buying this on the way down. SPX is not so clear. So assuming we had some kind of an impulse up here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we have a correction A, B, C. This is a flat correction. Then we should go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this in our wave 3. Then we could get our wave 4, and then our last, what do you call it, blow off top wave. Yeah, that would work for me at least. I'm looking at it and trying to figure out where could it go to. So if we draw a trend line through these highs here, then it could go to around about 6,000 on the S&P, SPX. And last one. Hook. It's to me, it's very simple. If BTC is going up, so if we get an extension wave, if we go up more to around about 31,000, then maybe here we could get a triangle formation. So this would be our A, this would be our B, this would be our C. But at the moment, I don't know. Very risky, to be honest. Yeah, very risky. I would at least wait until we hit this trend line here, correct, then buy here, stop loss here, and then wait for higher price targets. You'll be long stop loss. So let's say we correct it till here. Stop loss is here, and how do I even measure this move here? It could get to $6, which is round about 4-to-1 risk to reward ratio, which is not too bad. So that could work. But you have to keep in mind that the stop loss is 35%, but you can get up to 135% on this move. So that's it. This is how it looks. I'm really curious how Nasdaq plays out. It really looks very promising, especially if it takes out this high here. And then it looks very promising, and yeah, I mean, if we do this, I think we can expect a bigger rally on BTC as well. I don't know if we get a C wave to roundabout here, maybe, or maybe some kind of a double top. Maybe we even get like 50,000 on BTC. That could easily happen. SPX, unless we, like I was saying before, yeah, you can check my previous videos. Unless we break this low here, this is the crucial low. Yeah, it was protected here. Until we break this low here, everything looks fine. There is a bit of danger here that we create. And now I need to get rid of this. That we create head and shoulders pattern. That's the left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and then down. At the moment, I'm not convinced. I have to see this low broken. Yeah, this low broken and this low broken. At the moment, it looks bullish. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much. Have a very good day. So long. Bye bye.